Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. Welcome to the channel. Today I have a new series starting. A little while ago, a gentleman, Captain Coinman, who's a subscriber and a good friend to me, sent me 2 bags of coins. One was marked naughty, the other was marked nice. He told me that the nice were coins that he liked and he thought I would like. The naughty, he didn't tell me. He said, you got to try and work that one out for yourself. So I'm asking you for some help. I'm going to share approximately equal number of coins. I split them into bags of around about 20 to 22 coins each. So I will be looking at doing half a bag from the naughty and half a bag from the nice in this video. I'm not going to give you any mintage figures, so you would be voting for the coin, say, that were particularly rare, or the set that had particularly rare coins in. I want you to vote on what you believe is the nicest set and the one that you would want in your collection. So I'm going to start off with this first one, and the first coin I'll go in a bit. Now, as I say, I'm going into this blind. This is a Bulgarian coin. You have the horseman on this side, then on the other one it is a 1 stonky coin. So that's the first coin. Keeping it small, here is the second coin. I believe this one could be Israeli. And it's a 10 Arak, so it is an Israeli coin. So there's a second coin of this series. The third coin shows Rama the Ninth, so it's a Thai coin, and it is a 1 baht coin. This one is a 1 yen coin. I'm not going to give you the year or the date, as I don't have that information, because I'm going into this blind like yourself. All I'm doing is describing the coin to you. We have a second 1 baht coin. The monastery, of course, is the monastery in Vietnam, in the capital of Thailand. It's not Vietnam. What are you talking about? You're talking through your head, Steve. This coin is from one of the Arabic states. Palm tree and Arabic writing, and it is 1, so it could be 1 mil, 1 fil. Not 100% sure. Next coin again is another 1 yen coin. You got a few. We have a couple of really nice unusual coins, and this is one of them. This is a square coin. Has a value of 1 there. Not 100% sure which way round this is supposed to be, but it's Arabic writing, or maybe one of the languages that take up Pakistan and India. I think it may well be Pakistani, but I'm not 100% sure. I've not done any research, as I said. So there's an interesting coin for you. This one I believe is Turkish, and it has a value of 5. Kuros, is it? It's Kuros, isn't it, normally from Turkey? Here we have another slightly unusual coin. It's, I believe, possibly Chinese, or it might be Vietnamese or Taiwan. That portrait may well be Taiwan. So you have the portrait of the leader on there, and then, or politician, and then you have a monastery type building there, which is a lovely monastery type building. We then have yet another yen coin, slightly better condition than the other two. We have yet another baht coin from Thailand, a 1 baht coin, and finally we have another unique coin. I believe it to be Chinese. I believe that this is like a rice head. Chinese writing on the side here, hole in the centre, and Chinese writing there. So that's the first set. This is the second set. First one shows George VI, so it's going to be either a British or an Empire coin, and it has the ship on the back. So it's from South Africa. Nice coin. Again, another South African coin. It shows, I think that's the Pretoria flower, and it's a 50, I think that's probably 50 cents. Coin from Georgia, and it shows the red deer. It is a 20, can't remember the exact value, the actual coin, and you've got the red deer, which was taken from a painting. This one is from the Bahamas. You have the Bahamas coat of arms there, and then the back, nice coin. Sailing boat, 25 cents, and you have an island in the background, or a beach area in the background which has palm trees on it and that sort of thing. And the next one might well be Singapore. I don't think I've seen the back on this one before. Give me 1 second, please. I need to look something up, i.e. use a magnifying glass. This one is Singapore. It's a 50-cent coin. (2013). So there you got the Singapore coat of arms, and on the back you have the 50 cent, and you have it looks like a country area with a church or a monastery there on the coin. This is George V. £3 from 1935. So it's going to be silver. 1935, it's going to be a 50% silver coin. It's a UK coin, and there you go, there's the reverse. Next one, yeah, well, what can you say? It's a 1 cent coin from America. It is one of the older ones, as it has the printed 1 cent on it in text. Let's see if I can find a date for you. It's 1925, and it doesn't have a mint mark. So this is a 1925 1 cent coin from Philadelphia. We have another 1 cent coin from America. This one is 1941. It has no mint mark again, so it's Philadelphia. So you got Lincoln there on the front. Then on the reverse you have the 1 cent in text. We have a coin from the reign of Olaf V, which makes it Norwegian. You have his moniker, his monogram up below a crown there on that side, and then on the back you have a B. You have the value of, what is it, 10 cent? 10 ore, sorry. Yeah, 10 ore, and the year, I'll just get the year for you. The year is 1969. This next coin is Slovenian. There you have this coat of arms and the name of the country. It's 2003, and then on the back you have a cross, a stylized cross, and also the value of 10 SK. The final coin of this first battle, sorry, the penultimate coin from this last battle, from this first battle of Naughty and Nice, is a 10 lira coin from 1995. It's Italian, and it's a 50th anniversary coin. Is that the 50th anniversary of the end of the war? Yeah, it's the 50th anniversary of the end of the Second World War. So it's a commemorative coin from Italy. And finally, we have a 5 cent coin. Belgium. Belgium 1910. So there's the coin. You have a monogram split going around the hole. You have a crown there at the top, and on the other side it is a 5 cent. It's 5 cent, on the one side of it and a olive stem as its backup. Right, let's get this as wide as we can. I'm now going to give you, so we have two sets of coins. We have the naughty and the nice. The highlights of the naughty, you've got a 5 lira coin there from Turkey. You've got a Pakistan, probably. Let's see if I can actually see any markings on it. 1 second. It looks like it's a 10, possibly 10 Spistari or something like that. It is an Islamic country. We also have a cash coin, or a recent coin from China. And then on the nice side we have that 10SK from Slovenia. We have the one with the red deer. We have that nice coin from South Africa, which shows you the flower. We also have the South African 1p. We have a 50 something coin from Singapore, so that could be 50 cents. We have a 5 cent, 100-year-old 5 cent coin. It's now down to you. Of these two sets of coins that I've just shown you, which is your favourite set? The naughty or the nice? Please vote for which one you would want to have in your collection. I've deliberately not given you any vintage figures or given you any great detail on either set of coins. I want you, simply by looking at them, to make up your mind which you prefer, the naughty or the nice. It's down to you. Please vote in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed this hunt, or if you've enjoyed this battle, please give me the thumbs up. If you believe I've deserved your subscription and you've not yet done so, could you please at least think about subscribing? I'm aiming for 250 subscribers by the end of 2023. I'm currently at 226, so by the end of New Year's Eve on 2023 I want to be on 250 subscribers or above. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, sometimes 5, and sometimes even more, to give you the opportunity of having a selection of videos to choose from to view. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. Thank you to staying until the end of the video, and from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.